Hello everyone, I am Gracy of BBA Semester 4 and today I feel very glad to present my seminar on the topic Sixth Sense Technology. But before I begin, I would like to convey my thanks to our principal Dr. Professor Ajay Serene and our teacher Mrs. Binu Gupta, Associate Professor PG Department of Commerce and Management, for providing me the information and the platform without which I would not have been able to complete my project. So now here are the list of the contents which I am going to discuss in this presentation. The first one is introduction, then history, then why to choose Sixth Sense technology, its components, working, applications, advantages and disadvantages, its future scope, and then comes the conclusion. Introduction. So first of all, what is Sixth Sense technology? It is a wearable gesture interface that connects the physical world around us with the digital world, and we just have to use our natural hand gestures to interact with the digital world. It also gives the user the new way of seeing the world with the information at their fingertips, and this is the reason why this is under the category of wearable computing. This technology also bridges the gap by bringing the intangible digital information out to the tangible world. It means that we can put our imagination into reality. So here is the short video clip of this technology and how it works. Coming towards the history of this technology, the idea behind this technology was started late in 1990 by Steve Mann at MIT, which was actually the first proposed wearable computer. This technology was first implemented as a neck-worn projector and camera system. Then, in 2000, it was carried forward by Pranav Mistry. In this slide, you can see the picture of Pranav Mistry and Steve Mann. In the first picture, you can see Steve Mann wearing this technology in 1998. He is wearing a projector and a camera. In the second picture, you can see Pranav Mistry wearing this technology in the year of 2012. Components of Sixth Sense technology: camera, projector, mirror, smartphones, and color markers. Camera. It is a digital eye of the system and connects the world of digital information. It captures the scene and tracks the gestures. Then the data is sent to the smartphone. Projector. The projector is the key output device of the Sixth Sense technology. The projector visually augments surfaces, walls, and physical objects the user is interacting with by projecting digital information and graphical interface. In short, the projector projects the contents that is to be projected, or the processed content is projected by the projector. Mirror. The mirror reverts the projection coming out from the projector, and thus we are able to project anywhere on the objects such as walls. Smartphone. The Sixth Sense system uses a mobile computing device in the user's pocket as the processing device. Color markers. The color markers that are red, green, blue, and yellow are placed at the tips of the fingers, which helps the camera to recognize the hand gestures. Working of technology. First of all, the images, pictures, and gestures are captured by the camera. Then these are sent to the smartphone for the processing. Then the processed data is sent to the projector, and then the reflection is put on the mirror. Applications for capturing the pictures. The user do not have to carry the camera along with him, and just by creating the box with the help of the fingers, pictures can be captured. Clock. The user just have to make a good gesture of clock, and the watch will be displayed on the wrist of the user. And again, user do not have to carry watch along with him to check the time. Palm as a dialer. The dialer is displayed on the palm, and the user can dial the number using another hand. Checking your flight status. This enables us to check the flight details as well, because we just have to put the ticket in front of the projector or the camera and it will check the status from the internet. The map. The map application allows the user to navigate a map that is displayed on the nearby surface by using hand gestures. We can also zoom in and zoom out in the map. 3D drawing. The drawing application of this device allows the user to draw on any surface just by tracking tips of the movement of the index fingers. Video newspapers. This device also recognizes the articles in the newspaper. It can also retrieve the latest stories or videos from the internet and then it can display. We can also access internet anywhere by using this technology. This technology is also used in movies. For example, in the famous movies of Avengers, the pop-up screen is the technology which is used. Advantages. The first one is portable. Being smaller in size, we can carry this technology along with us wherever and anywhere we require. It supports multi-touch and multi-user interaction. It means that more than 2 users can use this technology at one time. It is cost effective. It means that the setting of this technology is lower in cost. It connects intangible world with the tangible world. It means that we can put our imagination into the reality. Now let us discuss about the disadvantages of using sixth sense technology. The first one is tool for hackers. Being an open source of technology, the hackers can easily extract the information and thus it is the threat to privacy. It affects the health. Prolonged projection in front of screen will ultimately affect our eyes. Correct instruction is required. Well, correct instruction is always required in any technology to produce the correct output. No privacy, because the photos are being clicked by making the hand gestures only, so sometimes the pictures can be clicked of some person without their consent also. Future scope of sixth sense technology. Number one is it is useful for blind people. There are many sixth sense technology devices that have hit the market and which have made the life of handicapped people much more easier because they do not have to be dependent upon anyone for their minor to minor work also. They can send and receive messages themselves and they can drive their own car also. Research is going on to discard the use of color markers and using voice recognition instead of those markers. It is almost like setting up a digital system into our body and making use of it. Sixth sense with holographic visualizes the world better because we are able to put our imagination into the reality. We would be able to visualize the world better definitely. Coming towards the conclusion. Sixth sense technology recognizes the objects around us and makes us familiar with the information in any way we need without the use of micro gadgets and just by using our hand gestures. It can also be used as a fifth sense for handicapped people because earlier these people were dependent on another people for performing their tasks such as sending or receiving any text or making the call. But with the use of this technology they can do their own work, even they can drive their own car. This technology has become a transparent user interface, thus making life easier, faster and comfortable. The security reasons are to be considered while using this technology. Here is a list of the links from which I have gathered and collected all the information. And at last, thank you for watching my presentation.